taking him a while to get up here.
I don't think he has anything left, Michael. He is a one-man gang in there.
Showing off some of his speed there. This might be the end of the road for him, Byron.
Well, if he can't get back to his feet, you're absolutely right.
It's got to be over now. Now that's how... Here he goes for the win. Oh, he's such a tough target. And a powerful slam down onto the back. Can he do it here? That strike hit the spot. There's no way he could have avoided that blow. Pinpoint precision on that elbow drop. Right into the center of the chest. Bad move there.
I don't know what made him think that was a good idea.
Ain't no stopping him now.
Right to the neck. He misses the mark.
He might need glasses, Cole. His eyesight is clearly
a punishing strike.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
There's the cover. Can he do it? No, there's the reversal. He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here. It appears that part of the game plan heading into this match was to attack the back. Boy, that hit the mark.
Nobody does it quite like him.
even more amazing this time around.
He can do it here.
The way I see it, this might be a good time for the finisher. He can't with...
Oh, chin-breaking uppercut.
That has got to be it.
He's calling for it. He might have it. Huge move right there.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Counter here. Connects with a counter. He has him right where he wants him. The champ is in a bad way here. You have to wonder how much more punishment the champ can take.
I know he doesn't have any quit in him, but now might be one of those times where you take the loss and live to fight another day.
We've reached an incredibly vital point in this match, guys. It'll be interesting to see if he still competes with the same amount of...
He got him good there.
The challenger simply will not...
This should do it right there.
I think we're at the point in this match where the finisher could be used at any moment here.
He's too quick for him there. Taken down with a beautiful suplex. See what kind of response we'll get. This could be it for him, guys.
Yeah, he's on Dream Street.
A stretch that would make Stu Hart blush. He's just about there. The champ retains.